Have you ever wondered what happens when two of the animal kingdom's most formidable predators clash? In the vast wilderness of North America, a primal rivalry has played out for millennia. On one side we have the bear, powerful, solitary and driven by an insatiable hunger. And on the other, the wolf, a highly intelligent pack hunter with unmatched cunning. This is the story of their epic battle, a story of survival, dominance and the delicate balance of nature. In the grand tapestry of life, bears and wolves reign supreme as apex predators. Their presence, or lack thereof, sends ripples through the entire ecosystem. Wolves, with their highly coordinated hunting strategies, keep prey populations in check, preventing overgrazing and maintaining a healthy balance. Bears, as opportunistic omnivores, play a vital role in seed dispersal, shaping the very landscape they inhabit. They are the gardeners of the ecosystem, ensuring its vitality for generations to come. Their influence extends far beyond the immediate kill, impacting every creature and plant in their domain. Wolves epitomize cooperative hunting. Their strategy is a marvel of nature, a ballet of movement and communication. Bears are masters of opportunity. They scavenge and hunt, using their keen sense of smell. Their size helps defend kills. Both predators adapt to their environment. Both bears and wolves are fiercely territorial creatures. Their domains are marked with scent, a clear message to rivals. Encounters between these titans are often tense, a delicate dance of posturing and aggression. These confrontations can be explosive, a blur of teeth, claws, and raw power. The outcome of these battles can shape the balance of power in the ecosystem. Chapter 4. The dietary preferences of bears and wolves are as diverse as their hunting strategies. Wolves are obligate carnivores, their survival dependent on the flesh of their prey. Bears, however, are opportunistic omnivores, their diet a smorgasbord of berries, roots, insects, fish, and occasionally meat. This dietary flexibility allows bears to thrive in a wider range of habitats. Their ability to exploit a variety of food sources makes them incredibly resilient, capable of weathering environmental changes that might prove challenging for more specialized predators. Chapter 5. Bears and wolves have evolved to coexist, their interactions a complex interplay of competition and tolerance. They compete for similar resources, their territories often overlapping. This competition can be fierce, especially during scarcity. However, there is mutual respect. Wolves, aware of the bear's power, may yield a kill to avoid confrontation. Bears may tolerate wolves at a distance. This dance of competition and coexistence shows their adaptability. Chapter 6. The social structures of bears and wolves are as different as their physical appearances. Wolves are highly social animals, their lives revolving around the pack. The pack is a tightly knit unit, bound by complex communication and a strict social hierarchy. Bears, on the other hand, are largely solitary creatures. They live most of their lives alone, except during mating season and when raising cubs. This solitary existence has shaped their behavior, making them fiercely independent and self-reliant. Both bears and wolves possess an arsenal of physical adaptations that make them formidable predators. Wolves are renowned for their stamina, capable of covering vast distances in pursuit of prey. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth are perfectly designed for tearing flesh. Bears, with their massive size and strength, are capable of killing with a single blow. Their claws, like grappling hooks, are formidable weapons, capable of inflicting serious damage. These adaptations, honed over millennia of evolution, are a testament to the power of natural selection. Chapter 8. Continuing the lineage reproductive strategies. The reproductive strategies of bears and wolves are as diverse as their lifestyles. Wolves have a defined breeding season, with only the alpha pair typically reproducing. This ensures that only the strongest genes are passed on to the next generation. Bears, on the other hand, have a more flexible breeding strategy. Females give birth to cubs every few years, the number of cubs dependent on environmental conditions. This adaptability allows bear populations to recover more quickly from setbacks. Chapter 9. Guardians of the Wild Conservation Status. Despite their formidable nature, both bears and wolves face an uncertain future. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and climate change threaten their populations. Protecting these apex predators is not just about preserving individual species, it's about safeguarding the health of entire ecosystems. Their presence regulates prey populations, maintains biodiversity, and ensures the delicate balance of nature. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to roam the wild for generations to come. Cultural significance, reverence, and respect. Bears and wolves have held a prominent place in human cultures around the world. They are symbols of strength, cunning, and the wild. Indigenous cultures view them as providers and teachers. Their stories remind us of our deep connection to nature. We must ensure these creatures continue to thrive. A call to action, protecting our legacy. The predator face-off between bears and wolves shows nature's raw power and balance. These apex predators maintain the health of their ecosystems. Their stories remind us of nature's interconnectedness. Support conservation to ensure these creatures inspire future generations. Let us protect their legacy for all.